Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the engine oil in your car or truck. This video should be applied to pretty much any vehicle, whether it's a newer vehicle like a 15-20-year-old vehicle or an antique. But before I begin, remember, if you like the channel, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up if you like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you, or one of the viewers will reply back as well. So the only thing you're really going to need for this video is grab like a paper towel or a napkin and locate where the hood release is in your vehicle. On a lot of vehicles they are usually near the kick panel, like on the driver's side. So here's the hood release on my 04 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and on our brand new Kia, the hood release is on the same side as well. It's right here. So if you're not sure where it is, look near the seat. It may be on the seat, like near the floor area in here. Or check out the owner's manual, because it should be stated in the owner's manual. So once you have popped the hood, go ahead and lift the hood up and locate where your dipstick is. On the Jeep Grand Cherokee, this is an 04, it's on the passenger side. So all you really need to do is pull the dipstick out of the dipstick tube. You're going to wipe off any oil if you get on camera. Swipe the oil off of the dipstick and then put it back into the dipstick tube, because you want to get an accurate reading. Make sure that the vehicle is on a level surface. Just going to slide the dipstick back in all the way, pull it back out. Now, I just changed the oil on this vehicle like a week ago, so the level should be up there, which it is. So on your dipstick, you should see a couple of marks. A lot of times they'll have like a cross-hatched mark, and here's like the low mark right here on this vehicle, and there's a high mark. So in between here, if the oil level is in between these two marks, it's deemed safe. If it's right at this low mark, this vehicle may take like another quart of oil, but you can see right here, I'll show you, flip the dipstick around, and you get it in the camera view, and see, it says safe right there. So look for that on your dipstick, and like I said, on this dipstick, it should be the same as on yours. It's below that line, it says add a little oil. This is the safe area right there, and a lot of these vehicles tend to be the same way. If it's not, you come run across something kind of funky, leave a comment and I'll hop in, reply back to you. And you know, if you're at that level where it says add, you know, get a funnel, look at your owner's manual to see how to fill the vehicle up. On most vehicles, like your oil fill will be right on the valve cover, and on this vehicle it is right here. So you just unscrew that, you put a funnel in, get like a quart of oil, add a little at a time, double check your oil level and see if you're in that safe zone, and kind of top it off that way. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It's not very hard to do. I recommend, if your vehicle doesn't tend to burn a lot of oil, you may want to check it every couple of weeks, or if you're at the gas station getting gas, while you're at the gas station, pop the hood, check the engine oil level, and monitor it, see where you're at, and top it off as needed. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot of great videos. You don't want to miss anything. Take it easy.